No son of mine is raising no fucking dragons. Actually, I plan on riding. That's fucking worse. Oh my god. And you saying there's an island of dragons that only dragons can go to, is what I'm hearing. Yes. So, are we cool? I gave you information, so can I keep Toothless? You gave it a name? Fuck no. Seize the dragon. We're going to the island. Seize the dragon. I'm a big... What? You can't do this. This is not fair. Or what? Boy, you're all skin and bones. When I come back, I'm going to cook you a whole sheep. I'm going to get you right. Then you can stand up to me, maybe. You know I love you. I'm going to come back and you're going to say it back. Alright? This is bullshit. This is me, Dad. Me. And you going to do some things like this? You ain't fucking right. I'm a what? Oh, okay.